Hey everybody, this is Jeff with Eternity Shore. I'm in my backyard. It is April 16th, so I hope you got your taxes in yesterday, and hope you got a return, or getting a return, so that you could spend more money on your boat. Are you in the water yet? Getting prepared to get in the water? I don't know what's going on with you. I wanted to give you a quick update from me. A couple things. Our boat has been in the water since March 30th. But it is at another marina getting work done on it. I don't think they've actually started yet. So it's been over 2 weeks. That's kind of a bummer. But I think they're going to get to it this week. And there's a whole list of things that I won't go into again that are being taken care of. Maybe I'll just throw them up on the screen. I'll scroll through what we're hoping they'll take care of. You haven't heard from me in a while. I haven't been to the boat at all. I am still recovering from surgery, and that recovery is going slower than I want it to. I kind of just flunked out of physical therapy for a while because I've had some complications. But I wanted to connect with you real quick to let you know not to forget about the channel. If you are doing any work, maybe you're doing bottom painting, maybe you're sanding, this might be a good time for you to check out our amateur maintenance playlist. And some of the most popular ones on there, I'll flash here before you so you know. I gotta get out of, there's a bunch of bugs here. It's like 86 degrees today, so I really should be on a boat someplace and not in my backyard burning, but I'm gonna go inside. I got the air conditioning going. So just remind you that I do have several videos that might be helping you prepare your boat to get back on the water to launch it again. Some of my most popular videos relate to sanding, priming, painting the outdrives. So that's one that if you need to do that, you could check this one out over here. If you need to replace a electric fuel pump for a Volvo Penta, I've done that several times, and you can see those videos there. Yeah, so if you have Volvo Pentas, 5.7s or even other, or maybe even 5.0s, a lot of those videos related to the engine room will probably be helpful to you. So I know some of you commented in the last video about when you were getting in the water. Other people, if you want to make a comment about that, that would be great. We are in the upper Chesapeake Bay, north of Baltimore. So in our area, it's a great time to boat. It's going to be hot weekend. It's going to get cold next week, but there are opportunities to get out on the water. So if you have those, can I encourage you to take those? Because I don't have those right now. You know, I had originally thought maybe early first week of May, but the first week of May is coming up pretty fast right now, so I don't think that's reasonable given my recovery time and given what they're doing with the boat right now. For the next video, I am going to go up to the marina where the boat currently is and film from there to be a little bit more interesting. But I have been really confined to this area a little bit more where we live because of my health. But appreciate you guys, and thanks for following and watching the channel. I think I'll just put a close on this one, and if I have other footage to share, I'll do that right now.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get straight here. All right, you ready? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Like a boss. Still has it.
you are doing maintenance and you need some inspiration, Either you see the video I put together and you're like, that's exactly how I want to do it, or you see the video I put together and you thought, I don't want to make the same mistakes that Jeff made, then I'm glad these can be helpful to you. All right, so that's just a quick check-in. Again, I really appreciate you guys following the channel. Again, I know the content has been super slow. Hoping to ramp that up soon. And Mary and I are really hoping to go on some good long trips this year. But we're having to hold a lot of our plans tentatively because of my health. All right, happy boating. Have a great day.